You don't have to be so mean to your parents. They just don't want you to end up on a heap. They'll do almost anything to keep you from crying. They'll give up all they own. Who wiped your ass when you were young? They made your bed. They even lied in it too. And if you're gonna say something, say it to their face. Get off your mother's back. No, you can't have that. She couldn't have the same thing, so why should you? No shit, Sherlock, the money's low, but your dad is trying. You'll never know what the latest is on days of our lives. They made your bed. They even lied in it too. And if you're gonna say something, say it to their face.